Hey guys, Robert here with another awesome video coming from Artisan Lakes today on Palmetto. This is EAVE'S Bend. This community's been around for a couple of years. Artisan Lakes by Taylor Morrison has been around for a few years. Meritage was in here, they're not in here anymore, and it's just a Taylor Morrison community now. So please enjoy this tour, guys. I'm going to show you around what's going on in EAVE'S Bend, go through the amenity center. I'm going to go through some of the deals and incentives, but to just keep this video evergreen, I'm just gonna keep it strictly what's going on in the community right now. I'm gonna do a tour of the models of Taylor Morrison. And you know, guys, I'm gonna go to some of the area attractions. Right now I'm standing near the intersection. You would take a left right here, go down, and then the rest of Artisan Lakes is, you know, will be all down on your left, and then on the right they have the woods of Moccasin Wallow, and then there's a lot of some restaurants in there. There's the Grayson, there's the Corporate Ladder. I want to show you that. I want to show you American Honey, and I'll just give you a rundown of what's going on in the area as far as commercial infrastructure and things of that nature, guys. Stay tuned. Artisan Lakes is nestled right here off of Moccasin Wallow Road, right off of I-75 in Palmetto. Look at the beautiful fountains as you drive in. Awesome landscaping. What a nice gym where you can do a full workout. Get a massage here if you invite your masseuse, play in the game room, enjoy the hot tub and the pool area. Check it out, guys. It's such a beautiful community. Call me at 941-879-4730. This is Artisan Lakes, located right off of Moccasin Wallow Road in between St. Petersburg, Tampa, and Sarasota on the west coast of Florida. So guys, check it out. You come in and it's beautifully landscaped throughout the whole parkway, and it'll branch off and you'll have Esplanade on your left. You'll have EAVE'S Bend on the right. So on the right is where the EAVE'S Bend clubhouse will be, and then the gated section, which is Esplanade, will be on the left. And you'll notice the tile roofs there as well, so that'll be kind of an indication of where you're at when you're in the community. And yeah, guys, so this area is beautiful. You can you're in Florida. Right down the street is Bishop Harbor, which you can go fishing literally 5 minutes down the road, and it's at the dead end of Moccasin Wallow, and it's a preserve, and it's on Tampa Bay, so it has water access. You can put small boats in there, you can go fishing, you can picnic there during the day. It's a beautiful place. You can go to the Skyway Bridge, you can go to Sneed Island, you can go to the river, you can go to Anna Maria Island, St. Petersburg Beach, which is super close. Actually, it's only about 25 minutes and you're pretty much in St. Pete Beach. Downtown Tampa is only 35 minutes. You have the Bradenton Riverwalk, the Tampa Riverwalk, the St. Pete Pier. So many things to do, guys, and this area is just blowing up because you're gonna have the new hospital coming in down the street where North River Ranch is, which is gonna be great for this road. You're gonna have another Publix down there. You're gonna have a new college down there, so this will actually be a college exit, which will be very cool. You have, you know, as we're gonna get into it, guys, in a minute, you have the woods of Moccasin Wallow right down the street where the Corporate Ladder is, and Grayson, TK Grill, and American Honey. If you're trying to get something to eat, something tasty, they also have, you know, like chiropractic, nail salons, dentists, things of that nature. Storage facilities. But yeah, as you drive right in here, guys, this is EAVE'S Bend, and this is like there's little subsections as it goes through. This is because you have Edgestone, which is just past this on the left, which is a lot of townhouses, and this is where the other single family homes that Taylor Morrison has done that are not, like, you know, decked out with the tile roofs and all the upgrades and the gated community where you have to pay all these extra fees. These are more affordable pricing with a quality builder. So as you check it out, guys, this is the model. You'll come right in, check out the garage, look at the nice stone on the front of the house. You have the tall doors, you have the covered front area. You can actually screen that in and you walk right in the front door. It's nice and open. To the left, you could either have an office or a dining room, whatever you choose. And then off to the right, you can do the same. I mean, you can either have a, I think that's the garage right there. This is the floor plan. This is the first floor, as you can see, and then we'll show you the second floor in a minute. There's a nice open 2-story, you know what I mean, the vaulted all the way up 2-story ceilings with the windows up on top makes it, you know, super luxurious. This one's decked out with a pool. They don't come with pools from the builder themselves, but I do have a pool company that I've used that's done a pretty good job for me. You have a nice balcony there, just very, very back in style, you know. So this is definitely a luxury home. I would say a luxury community. You know, has a nice flow of the floor plan, walk-in shower, garden tub, his and her vanities, quartz countertops, walk-in closets, his and hers walk-in closets, separated. They're not super big, but they probably work. Nice open kitchen as it comes through here, and with the pass through into what you could make as the dining room. We'll come upstairs, guys. Look at this layout here with the loft as you come up, and you have the rest of your bedrooms and bathrooms on the second floor. It's an interesting layout with the separation. You have your balcony, just like actually kind of like a hallway. The way they did that, huh? Interesting. It's pretty cool, actually. Nice bedroom here. Rooms are all good size, I would say. You know, bathrooms are pretty spacious. That's like another living room. So you have like the loft plus like a separate living room, or you could make it a bedroom. It's a bonus room. It's a loft and a bonus room upstairs with 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, it looks like. Yeah, guys, not too bad. So we're gonna get into the next model here. This is going to be your Antigua. This is a 1-story. Come in here, and they are all gonna have your keyed in, keyless entry. So you can just put your code in and you don't need your key. I haven't used my key in years. Cathedral ceiling when you walk in. It's interesting. To the foyer, it's like a foyer and kind of splits off from the dining room and the bedrooms and bathrooms and laundry room and stuff like that. So this one has a little morning kitchen here with the pantry tucked away, the tuck away pantry. It's like not right in the kitchen. It's around the corner. You have 2 bedrooms down here. Good use of space. Yes, this model, guys, is pretty awesome because it's like the laundry room has a pass through to the master closet. So if you want, you can go right into the laundry room from the master closet, so you don't have to bring your laundry around. And then there's a lock on it, so you can keep it locked. Vaulted ceilings. Tray ceilings, I mean, sorry, what am I saying? Vaulted. Tray ceilings. Covered lanai. This is an extended lanai. This is an extended covered lanai. Nice layout, guys. And then here's your elm. So that's about concludes our tour, guys. This is the elm. I have many other models to choose from. Check out my website, robertlunt.com. Call or text me for more models of this community at 941-879-4730, and I'll get you all hooked up. I have all the other communities in the area as well. Don't forget to check out my other videos, guys, on my channel. I have North River Ranch, Summerwoods, Del Webb, Prosperity Lakes. All the communities are on my page, so check it out, subscribe, hit the likes, guys. I really appreciate the support. When I get the likes, it helps my videos get viewed more and get in front of more people. It helps support my channel. I appreciate that, guys. Hope you're enjoying the videos. This is the playground here in EAVE'S Bend. It's like a pirate ship. It's very cool. They got 2 bathrooms, some covered picnic area. They have another dog park here as well. And then they're gonna have, this is kind of like the recreational area, because right behind here is the basketball court. There's a walking trail. You can walk your dog right along the lake here and walk down to the soccer field or the basketball courts. So here you go, check it out, guys. Beautiful setup here. Nice and tranquil, private off to the side, not right in the middle of the community with a bunch of houses surrounding it. They're off in the distance across the lake. So it's nice, very nice. Nice basketball court. And you come over here into the soccer fields. I'm sure this place gets packed when the weather is not 95 degrees. It's the one drawback about Florida in the summertime, is it's extremely hot and muggy, but it's very sunny and beautiful. Everything's green and lots of but here's the clubhouse, guys, at night. It's beautiful. Check it out. They have fire pits, nice gym, full gym, all the Nautilus equipment that you need. They have all the treadmills, ellipticals. Community is getting sold out, guys. It's not gonna last forever. So we're gonna go down the street to the American Honey and the Grayson and check out the Corporate Ladder, TK Grill, and see what's going on in the woods of Moxon Wallow. So as you come in here, guys, actually, if you go straight here, that's where we'll go there in a minute. We'll check it out. Imagine School, where my son went. He went to Imagine. It's a great school. It's a little more, less populated, so you have more concentrated learning there. But yeah, guys, so check it out. Here's Corporate Ladder Brewing. We have right next to that is the TK Grill and American Honey. This place is a microbrewery. They have these guys are from New England. They have some of the coolest beers and most original, innovative beers that are fruity, and they have a lot of gluten-free stuff, dessert beers. They make a lot of different types of cool beers here. That's a great place to hang out. This place gets packed on the weekends. Corporate Ladder Brewery, guys. And then you have, going next door, is the TK Grill. I really enjoyed this place. I used to get really good kids meals here back in the day. Price has gone up considerably since we've been doing that, but they have excellent barbecue food here, guys. All around southern barbecue menu. Pulled pork, briskets, chicken, you name it, ribs. TK Grill, guys, right next to Corporate Ladder Brewery, and right in between the American Honey, which is right here. So on the other side of TK Grill, they have they put me on to basically putting honey in my coffee, because I used to use a little sweetener, and I was like, I don't want to use sugar, but I want a little sweet, and they put honey in their coffee, and I thought it was really good, so I started using honey in my coffee every day. So the fun fact about American Honey and me. Then on to the Grayson, guys. It's a brand new restaurant, just opened up here about within 2 months ago. They're now doing breakfast and dinner. Their full menu, burgers, sandwiches, salads, appetizers, drinks, things of that nature, guys. They're open. They're more of the, average American restaurant that's a little bit upscale, so in the community. So then as you drive out here, guys, you can go right into where the Imagine School is. That is right behind that plaza over to the left. And then, like I said, my son used to go here. They've kind of remodeled it a little bit. I think they've added like a gym, indoor gym to it they didn't have before, like a bigger gym. I didn't get to walk around it, but then you drive down past I-75 and you're into the new Publix that was opened about 4 years ago, and this one has the Yummy Tokyo. It has they have a little restaurant in the Publix, like a little like dining lounge up on the second floor, which is kind of cool. They have like a salad bar and wings, and they have there's a nail shop in here. But Jet's Pizza, it's definitely a favorite of a lot of people. We really like Jet's Pizza. They have a very good menu. I really like Yummy Tokyo right next door. I get that all the time, like Japanese, Thai food, sushi, hibachi. They have a lot of good soups and salads and things like that, guys. A lot of gluten-free stuff for me, which is great. A lot of protein. And then Publix right next door, which is, we get your pub subs on. You come, they got a buffet, they have wings, they have salmon sometimes. They got everything, guys. And then right next door to that is the Moccasin Wallow Golf Course, the MOC. I've golfed here several times. Very good course, very affordable, very easy, kind of a beginner course if you're duffing the ball a lot. So yeah, guys, hope you're enjoying the tour. Hit me up, 941-879-4730. Have a great day.